Is your motor oil secretly destroying your engine right now? After 200,000 miles of real-world driving and lab testing, I found that one popular oil doesn't just underperform, it quietly accelerates engine wear. Today, you're going to see which oils protect engines for hundreds of thousands of miles, and which one I wouldn't bore into my car even if it was free. Stick around, because the most dangerous oil on this list looks harmless on the shelf. Let's get into it. Number 9. Shell. Shell feels like the safest choice in the world, and that's exactly why it can become dangerous. When drivers trust an oil too much, they stretch intervals, ignore conditions, and assume protection will last forever. Shell Helix Ultra uses gas-to-liquid base oil that starts incredibly clean, and early on, wear metals stay low. That's the good news. The problem starts when real life intervenes. Short trips, fuel dilution, and high mileage stack up faster than most drivers expect. Once that happens, insolubles rise, and additive strength drops sharply. At that point, the oil doesn't fail loudly, it fades quietly. Rings begin to stick, oil passages slow down, and cold starts become harsher without obvious warning. Shell works when everything is perfect, but engines rarely live perfect lives. And when conditions stack, fading protection is far more dangerous than predictable limits. The next oil feels less mainstream, but the trust people place in it creates a different kind of risk. Number 8. Lucas. Lucas has built its reputation on heavy-duty additives, and that reputation carries straight into its motor oil. Under normal use, Lucas protects well. Wear metals stay controlled, viscosity holds, and flashpoint numbers are solid. For drivers who change oil on time and don't push heat or mileage, it feels bulletproof. But here's the catch most people miss. Lucas does not tolerate abuse. In extended heat testing, oxidation climbs faster than top-tier synthetics. Those rising insolubles don't show up on your dashboard. They show up inside oil rings and narrow passages. In older engines, that's where wear spikes happen before noise or warning lights ever appear. Lucas isn't bad oil. It's unforgiving oil, and unforgiving products punish neglect harder than people expect. If that surprised you, this next one surprises people even more. Number 7. Quaker State. Quaker State still carries its old reputation, but the oil inside the bottle has changed over time. Under Shell ownership, the formulation is tuned for average drivers on average schedules. For 5,000-mile intervals, wear numbers look fine, viscosity stays in range, and engines stay reasonably clean. But push beyond that comfort zone, and the limits show fast. Oxidation and insolubles rise sooner than premium synthetics, especially in high-mileage engines. That buildup doesn't explode an engine overnight. It slowly restricts flow, starves components, and accelerates wear behind the scenes. Quaker State feels safe, but safety disappears the moment schedules slip or mileage climbs. That brings us to a brand many people assume is identical, but it isn't. Number 6. Pennzoil. Despite shared ownership, Pennzoil plays a different game. Its gas-to-liquid base oil is cleaner and more stable, and lab numbers prove it. Wear metals stay low, viscosity holds, and oxidation resistance is impressive. On paper, it looks like a clear upgrade, and in many ways it is. But here's the detail that matters. Pennzoil's additive balance is designed to meet strict modern standards, not to rescue neglected engines. In high-mileage engines pushed past intervals, protection doesn't vanish, but it thins. Metal-to-metal contact creeps in quietly when conditions stack. Used correctly, Pennzoil performs exceptionally well. Misused, it loses its edge faster than people expect. Next is a brand mechanics trust, but trust alone doesn't eliminate risk. 5. Castrol. Castrol earns its reputation through stability. Its oils hold viscosity, manage heat, and control sludge better than most. High-mileage versions genuinely help older engines by conditioning seals and strengthening anti-wear protection. Lab data consistently shows low oxidation and controlled wear. But Castrol's strength is also its limitation. It assumes you're using the correct viscosity and respecting the interval. Deviate from that, and even this dependable oil can allow wear to creep in. Castrol protects well, but it doesn't perform miracles, and that's why it stops here. Now, we enter oils that start to shock even seasoned mechanics. Number 4. Havoline. Havoline doesn't get much attention, but the lab results demand it. Full synthetic versions run clean, resist oxidation, and keep wear metals impressively low. Engines often run quieter because friction is genuinely reduced. The trap is choosing the wrong version. Conventional or blend formulas in high-mileage engines dramatically reduce protection. When that happens, oil rings stick, bearings suffer, and damage accelerates quickly. Havoline delivers excellent value and performance, but only when matched correctly to the engine. From here on, the gap between average protection and elite protection becomes obvious. Number 3. Valvoline. Valvoline Restore and Protect didn't just aim to slow sludge, it aimed to remove it, and the data backs that up. Insolubles drop even in dirty engines, viscosity stays stable, and wear metals remain controlled where most oils start to struggle. This oil actively cleans while protecting, which is rare. Older engines benefit the most, often running smoother and cleaner within a single interval. Its only limitation is long-distance endurance. Beyond very long drain intervals, the next two oils simply hold up longer. That brings us to the standard many others chase. Number 2. Mobil 1. Mobil 1 sets the benchmark for consistency. Wear metals stay low, oxidation remains controlled, and viscosity stability is among the best in retail oils. Engines that idle, tow, or sit in traffic benefit from this balance. It handles abuse better than almost anything else on the shelf. Still, it isn't invincible. Push intervals too far in extremely high-mileage engines, and wear slowly rises. Mobil 1 protects exceptionally well, but discipline still matters. And finally, the oil that dominates the data. Number 1. Amsoil. Amsoil's Signature Series earns this spot because the numbers don't lie. Wear metals stay extremely low, oxidation resistance is outstanding, and viscosity remains locked in even after very long runs. This oil resists fuel dilution, heat, and breakdown better than almost anything available to consumers. Extended drain testing shows protection holding far beyond typical intervals. That's the separation. Not hype, not branding, but measurable endurance. Other oils are excellent. Amsoil simply lasts longer under stress. Now, the oil I would never use. The oil brand I would never put in my car even if it was free. Supertech looks harmless, but lab reports tell a brutal story. Wear metals spike early, viscosity collapses under heat, and additive packages burn off fast. Fuel dilution thins the oil, sludge builds, and protection disappears long before drivers realize what's happening. In high-mileage engines, damage accelerates rapidly and silently. This oil doesn't fail dramatically, it fails quietly until the engine does. Now, before you go, let's talk about the test criteria. This list is an opinion. It's wear metals, oxidation, viscosity stability, flash point, insolubles, and additive endurance. Every spike tells a story about what's grinding, clogging, or overheating inside your engine. When oil fails, engines don't get a warning, they just start dying faster. Now you know which oils protect and which ones shorten engine life.